here. So for some reason everyone can't jump right now, because some bug with Watchdog probably, but I would not be surprised if the admins nerf jumping. So here's a video on how to move after the jumping nerf. So the first option is Tarantula Boots. Now, you do move around very well with it, but you have to spam your spacebar a lot and it kind of hurts to do that for a long time, so I'd rate this like a 5 out of 10. The next option is Spirit Boots. Now Spirit Boots is very good for moving, but there's a 1 minute cooldown and you can only use it for 10 seconds, and if you're midair when the ability ends, you're kinda stuck there. The next option is an AOTE. Now I'd rate this a 10 out of 10 because you can basically infinitely spam it and you can move around as much as you want. Also sorry, but can't default dance today, I'm locked out of Hypixel. Yay! Also the reason why I made a video about jumping is because I can't really record my regular video when I can't move, you know? Yeah, cool. Okay, subscribe.